Shamsundar Sridhar Dalvi versus Government of India in original application 11 on 5th February 2015. The GCZME was told to not to issue any permissions in any. The matter was regarding Donopola to Vaingini आणि सगळे offending structures घाल म्हणून सांगलेले आणि it was made clear on the part of state of Goa, no construction shall be permitted within 100 meters of the SDL in violation of CRZ. And Ata GCZME has given all the permissions. Now these permissions will be included in the GCZME. We object to be included, including this finding. They had been told not to issue any permission, and this was afterwards in the matter of again original application Mehra. It was said until today the order remains that no permissions can be given. Now we have raised an objection. We 9 people have raised an objection saying that the port area is extended without consultation and some bund, the CRZ line brought back to the bund after Environment Minister Mr. Nilesh Kabral, OSD Sanjeev Joglekar and DSLR one Mr. Nitin Mantri went to the strong room of NCNCM Chennai and got a full CZMP change. I want to know why they went to the strong room and why they got this, because we have approved through the RTI that they have gone there and they have changed the thing. This is the RTI and it is dated 30/7/2019 and the GCZME has written to the NCNCM saying that mangroves having appeared, now it is shown is completely different. Mangroves having appeared along the landward side in the sea with Kazan, aqua pond salts due to poor maintenance of bunds, sluice gate and breach in the bunds, thus should be SDL should be demarcated along the bank of the rivers in such case. All Kazan. Now if you are excluding this, see that one where it remains. Kazan land and such Sogledor Kardle. This is one of the reasons why we are opposing this. Now, I have challenged the hazard line which has been removed. The hazard line which has been removed. The Survey of India began mapping the hazard line in 2011. Now, this plan is of 2011. All the structures should be only till 06 January 2011. Now the project cost is around 1,156 crores have been spent. That is what has been given to me by MOEF. But the hazard line, which would have been a very good tool for the management purpose plan of this concern, have been removed. I don't know why this has been removed. This cannot be removed, and that too removed after the CZMP 2019, CRZ 2019 was notification was this. Done. Now, this hazard line is kept as a shoreline. It was a regulatory regime. All this because of the hoteliers, you have removed this hazard line, which has been challenged now. But that should be at least shown till the PI law powers is not decided. Why it is not shown? It has to be shown. And this, who will now, this 1,156 crores which have been spent on this hazard line, should be recovered from these officers of the ministers, otherwise. Now this, we say that this CZMP which is being done for hoteliers and building mafias. That can be known from the fact that pioneering, when it was that they are showing the permission by GCZME. Now I have an objection about GCZME. These people who have been nominated as GCZME members have been selected and kept. They have not been come here as a merit. The honorable minister selects them and keeps them. They will put whichever hotel boundary hotel I challenge that. Now I am again challenging the composition of the and members of the GCZME which have been done without following the procedure. आता हायकोर्टान एक ऑर्डर पास केली 2007 आणि RSI रिमोट सेन्सिंग युनिट्स ऑफ हैदराबाद त्यांनी 2007 सगळे प्लॅन्स तयार केले. ते सगळे प्लॅन्स आता CZMPच्या GCZMEच्या सायटीर आसात. Those plans should be indicated. तातूंत दाखयल्या खंयची घरां लीगल आनी खंयची घरां illegal. Even NGT has said you have to show which houses are legal and which are illegal. Now this CZMP which is there now prepared is 2011. So it should freeze. It should freeze on the day 6 January 2011. त्याच्यानंतरची सगळी घरां demolish करून जाय, hotels demolish करून जाय. But this, I don't know, this GCZMA will do it because all the members are of political connections. I don't know if they will do. This should have been done. Now whether it is a draft or pre-draft, I don't know. Once I had argued about it in 2019 and all we had given an objection. Now again in 2020 we have given an objection. Again we have given now in 21. Last month we have given. Now it has been referred as pre-draft. It is a pre-draft or a draft, we don't know. We would like immediate clarification on that. Now to promote scientific approach for coastal management, demarcation of underwater line across the coastal area to migrate to infrastructure from natural hazard and preserve the long-term productivity of high. Now we are saying here, बारीक फिशरमॅन कशें तुम्ही वाचयतले नाले हे जर करना फिशरमॅन हे जर रायट आउट that is given in the this CRZ 2011 they should be saved and their houses should be there. Now what happens is that बायणा बिचार सगळे रोकडे दुसऱ्या दिसा मोडटा आणि मायकल लोबोचे हॉटेल जेका डेमोलिशन आसा. Then Nilesh Kabra, environment minister, not a collector who is there, has demolished this. There is no order of NGT to stay this. म्हणजे मिनिस्टरान तुझ्या मनशांक डेमोलिशन ना असले GCZMA ऑर्डर दिली, रवी जान ऑर्डर दिली, मिस्टर याने ऑर्डर दिली तर काहीच ना करून अजून पर्यंत. मायकल लोबो म्हणून तो एन्व्हायरमेंट मिनिस्टर डज नॉट वांट टू डेमोलिश इट. हे नाझरी हॉटेल why it is not demolished? The order is of 2/9/7/2018. GCZMA, that's why I'm challenging. We have to challenge the composition of GCZMA. आणि कितें केले एक मेंबर हाडून एक्सपर्ट मेंबर कितले बरे एक्सपर्ट मेंबर आहात. तुम्ही तुमकां जाय ते मिनिस्टर काढून सिलेक्ट करतलो आणि हे मिनिस्टराक जाय तोच हॉटेल वाचयतले आणि कोणाक ऑपोजिशनाची सगळी डिमॉलिश करून उडयतले लायक दे डिड इन बायणा. This will not go. हे कित्याक डेमॉलिश करूंक ना नाझरी 2009/7/2018 बाय GCZMA. म्हणजे तुका आणि एक शोकॉज केली बायने शोकॉज वचच्या पयलीं विड्रॉ केली म्हणजे तुम्ही पावर मारून जाय तेजे विड्रॉ करतलो तुमकां घातले जाल्यार ते येस सर म्हणटले येस मिनिस्टर म्हणटले. सो दीस शुड नॉट इफ यू हे जर तुमचे कडेन डेमॉलिश तुम्ही रिजायन जावपाचे मरे. हे मायकल लोबोचे हॉटेल कित्याक डेमॉलिश जायना. आता तो कलेक्टरान म्हाका सांगले एनजीटीची ऑर्डर आहा एनजीटीन ताका स्टे दिवंक ना आजपर्यंत कित्याक जायना डेमॉलिश. Even my other case of Tito's, it is not done anything. सगळे थांबून दवरता GCZMA. त्यांना सांगले की थांबून दवरता because those members are all त्यांचे मिनिस्टराचे मनीस they don't have a selection process. म्हाका डाऊट आसा हो हे कितें करतले हे सगळे GCZMAचे आहात पळय हे मिनिस्टराचे मनीस हे सगळे बाकीचे कोण ऑपोजिशनाचे घरां मोडटले आणि फिशरमॅनाचे आपली तितली घरां दवरतले. So that's why these houses should become on they are as per the High Court order which is there 2007 and सगळी घरां which is legal and illegal दिल्या. हांवें ते सगळे बरयला रेग्युलरायझेशन करप्शन जाल्यार रेग्युलरायज जाता तूं कितें दिलें जाल्यार रेग्युलरायज नाल्यार जायना. वी हॅव रिटन एवरीथिंग आय पुट नॉट नाव 2019 घातला हांवें हें. हायटाईड लाईन 1 किलोमीटर उदकान हाऊ इज दिस पॉसिबल. उदकान जर तुम्ही हायटाईड लाईन घातले फक्त हॉटेलाच्या टायमार उदकान येतात बाकीच्या लोकांच्या टायमार तांची घरां मोडून वता. वॉट इज दिस. कशें तुम्ही केला सेंड दिवनूय तशेंच आहा. आतां 15 मिनिटांन काय उडोवंक शकना हांव फास्ट उलयता ते बिकॉज माय टायम इज टिकिंग देयर. हांव तुमकां मेन पॉयंट सांगता ते ड्राफ्ट सारको टोटली आपल्या लोकांक घातल्या कोणाचे काडल्या असली घरां केल्या बिकॉज तातूंत CZMPचे बरोवन घेतल्या कशें CZMP करपा जाय ते बरोवन दिल्ले फूल आसा तशें कांयच केल्लें ना. As per section 5, it starts from section 5. Kashe CZMP preparation MOEF may obtain CZMP prepared through the respective state governments of the GCZMA. Kashe galpada guidelines सगळे दिले. It is not done. सगळी नाका जाल्लेले कितें काढून घातल्या बरे there is wetlands, coastal wetlands are there, they are included, some are now removed. The बंडाचे ह्या साइड पयलीं कशें आशिल्ले, बंड येताले आणि खारे उदक थंय उरताले आणि मागीर शेळे उदक तेका लागून ते स्लुईस गेट आशिल्ले. आता सगळेच खारे उदक जाला. हाऊ यू कॅन से इट इज अ वेटलँड, इट इज अ different water, pure water wetland. It is a salt. It should come. आता ते wetland rules आणि CRZ rules are overlapping each other. So these coastal wetland also should be included, which should not be given to remote. आणि ती line असा ती last पर्यंत वचपा ते खंय ते उदक वता, like which is been given here as per definition of. As per the definition, okay. आता CRZ हे आसात casinos. अरे, if you cannot do commercial, casino government commercial करता 12 nautical, it comes at CRZ 4. ताका permission ना CRZ ची. Why they are not shown? They should be shown. आता ते हॉटेल काय काढून थंय रावल्या. It is CRZ, म्हणजे तुका हॉटेल काढपाक मेळना CRZ पण तांची हॉटेलां घालपाक मेळटा. This should come in CRZ 4 if it is there. It is in CRZ 4. It should come in CRZ. कोणाचे लीगल घरा, कोणाचे हॉटेलां बांधल्या, सगळे दाखवूंक जाय. आणि they should जसे इल्लीगल घालपाक परमिशनां दिता तसे इल्लीगल मोडपाकूय परमिशनां दिवंक जाय.
Kashina Chetty, you still have 5 more minutes. Kashina Chetty, you still have 5 more minutes.
In application, the principal bench of NGT has relied upon the principle in application 677 of 2016 to quash the provision of the notification of Ministry and MOEF dated 9 the exempting buildings and construction project from the mandatory requirement of obtaining environment while declaring its judgment. From the above comparative study, it is clear that a regime in terms of notification dated would be considerably dilute the environmental safeguards provided not only under the regulations of 2006 but even under the Act of 1986. The applicant have rightly placed of the principle of non-regression. Yes, सदाच आमी principle of non-regression हांगा याद करूंक जाय टू साल्वार करपाक आमचे सगळे. Under the international law of doctrine of non-regression, it is accepted now. It is founded on the idea that environmental laws should not be modified to detriment of the environment protection. These principles need to be brought into play today because today environment is facing a number of threats and such deregulation a movement to specify and the same time diminish environment legislation perceived as too complex and climate change which माझे म्हणणे इतलेच आसा. वो प्लॅन आसा तो 6 जानेवारी 2011 ह्या दिसा फ्रीज जावंक जाय. हेजे पळय ताणें इन्सर्ट केल्या आपल्या मनशाचे सगळे हे घालून आनी तांकां एनओसीज दिल्या which has to stop from 5th February 2015 जे परमिशनां दिल्या तितली इल्लीगल परमिशनां this is the timing all the political pressure दिल्या. हे जे म्हजे पेटिशन इज देयर इन एनजीटी in 74 of 2017. माझे हांवें पेटिशन घातला each and every मेंबराचेर पेटिशन आसा. there is a file. सगळे मेंबरांचेर हे पेटिशन घातलेल्या. Yes, सगळे मेंबर आसात. We have put a petition on all those members. We have filed a complaint against them, which who have given the permission in violation to the order of NGT. Each and every member who is there has to answer this query of us. Full member. आता we say one thing. तुम्ही ते सारखे घाला तातून कितें आसा ते घरा ती ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल आसा ओडीपी प्लॅनर आणि ते रिजनल प्लॅनर ती घरा सगळी दाखया सर्वेन वचता तुमकां सगळी मेळटा खंयची इल्लीगल खंयची आता गुगल मॅपिंग आसा तुमकां आनी लोकल मनशाकूय गुगल मॅपिंग मेळटा ते गुगल मॅपिंगाचेर कोणाक इन्सर्ट करपाक आता थोडी घरां इन्सर्ट केल्ली आहा थोडी हॉटेलां इन्सर्ट केल्ली आहा ती इन्सर्ट करपाक दिवपाचे ना शो देम पीपल शुड नो खंयची घरां वतली टील 2011 आणि खंयची घरां उरतली तुम्ही तांकां दाखयतना तांकां शॉक वचपाक ते
2 minutes more to go.
Yes. This question which we have done. आता हे पयलीचे दोन शिवलिंग तो कसो प्लॅन आसा कशे गव्हर्नमेंट लँडाचेर आसा अशे प्लॅन्स आसा अशी घरां दाखयल्या खंयची घरां ओरिजिनल आसा ती आसत ही ओरिजिनल घरां ओके मागीर हे प्लेन पळय 2000 हे तुका सगळे अवेलेबल असतात सगळे प्लॅन अवेलेबल हे पळय कांयच नाशिल्ले मागीर 2000 आता पळय सगळे मागीर 2000 हे 2000 आता तुका हेच क्लीन आशिल्ले तुका
Kashina, your time is up.
अशे सगळे प्लॅन्स आसा